Hello guys, welcome in Of Course is Of Course. Today we're gonna make a special video. Please come.
Okay.
So today we're gonna do a massive unboxing with Sorry Park. So what's your rating? Let's go. I even don't remember what we have, so sorry, go. Oh, slowly.
Oh, I'm going slow.
Okay, let's see what we have. So we bought some stuff from...
This is the pen.
This is a pen from Ikea. Okay,
Very
carry
nice
on.
So this
Sorry.
is flat.
Okay.
This is a bit deep.
More deep.
I was
Okay.
more deeper.
Okay. There is something. Oh, okay.
€1.
The scoop. €1. This is the stuff that we get it. Okay. On. Scary.
You can see.
Wow, lot of bubble packing.
This is the
Oh,
top. So this one you have to build.
okay, nothing difficult.
The other one. What's this?
Strange this packaging. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Too high, sorry.
Wow, very strong. And this is the board for the very big.
Biggest one, the big baby. What we have here?
I think we have the pillow and
Pillow, I don't know.
the
Woo! Ikea bag, €1, €1.
and this.
2.50.
Oh, you remember? No, this one is not wood. This is the plastic.
Okay, first item wrong by Sorry Park. Then we have a Ikea bag. Okay.
And this one is the
Pillow,
pillow.
2 pillows. What's that?
This one is the blanket, like duvet inside one. Another pillow.
Then
This is for the make
trash box.
chest box. Oh, sorry. This is for putting the like leg
Okay.
for the kitchen.
So look what is the
Oh, it's so lucky. This is the shit.
That's right. Okay, sheet cover.
Seat. This is the magnet for the knife.
Okay.
This is for the decoration.
Hanger. Another
This is the-
pillow cover.
Yeah, pillow inner cover. This is €1 plus bag.
Plastic container.
This one is the just put the table. Knife. This one was cheap, but you have also knife for bread.
Okay.
This is another pillow inner.
Okay.
This is the just tower for this is 1.5 euro, 50 euro.
1.50.
Yes, we bought two.
Carpet for the toilet.
Carpet. Here we have for
Scoop, some stuff for cooking.
like 1 euro. This is 2.
This 1 euro and this
2. I don't know this. I never used this in my life.
for pasta.
This is my tower. So Italy they use big towers.
Yeah, much better.
This is my favorite things.
What's that?
It's the clip for the
Vabbè, clip for the food.
this one. Nice.
Plug.
Yeah. This is plastic bag. Ikea is very cheap. This.
Very cheap. Very cheap.
Another hand tower for the kitchen. This is the tower after
Yeah,
wash
how
the
many
dish.
you bought?
This is for the
No,
dish.
no. Open again the no. Go, carry on. Look down.
Oh! I put just one this. Fuck.
Okay,
This
it's
is
okay.
the bake. And we have last one.
That's good.
I don't know what this.
Sorry, lost the knife.
Oh no.
Okay, well, what's that? What's that?
I don't know. Why they cover so much? This is for the measure the.
Okay, cool. So sorry, do you want to say something? We left one, but it's not necessary to open.
That one is the hanger.
So, what you want to say?
We order wrong this.
Wrong? It's okay.
But it's okay. We're gonna use this is for the toilet.
Okay, so when we have time, we're gonna build all these stuff. So sorry, this video has been sponsored by Ikea.
No, unfortunately no.
Has been sponsored by Naoki. Unfortunately, yes. Otherwise, has been sponsored by me. So, well, let's see. So, if you like the video, sorry,
좋아요.
thumbs up. Sorry, subscribe.
구독해주세요.
Subscribe to the channel and see you.
Next video. Ciao.